Locate a lint-free rag or a scrap of old fabric to use when checking your oil.
If you are extremely unfamiliar with what is under the hood of your vehicle, you will find a detailed description of where your dipstick is located in your owner's manual. It is best to check your oil while it is warm. A great time to check your oil is after a quick trip to a local market or around your neighborhood. Pull the handle located on the inside of your vehicle, usually on the side of the driver's side door, and press the lever located underneath the center of the hood. Make sure that the hood of your car is securely propped. On most models, the dipstick is located on the left side of the engine. The dipstick usually has a yellow or orange circular handle that is clearly visible. When you pull this handle, a long piece of metal will slide out of the engine. Once you locate and remove the dipstick, clean it with your rag and slide it back in. Make sure that the dipstick is inserted all the way back in. Next, remove the dipstick once more. Look at the end of the dipstick. Some models will have a line marked full, while others will have a textured area that represents the capacity of the oil pan. The oil will appear amber in color. It should be fairly easy to discern the oil level by looking at the dipstick. If the dipstick indicates that the oil level is normal, reinsert it. If the dipstick indicates that the oil level is low, touch the end of the dipstick with 2 fingers and feel of the texture of the oil. If the oil is clean, you can add new oil using a funnel. If the oil is gritty, it is necessary to have your